Hello and welcome to Caravan Cooking 101. Now, if you don't know us, I'm Sid Whiting.
And I'm Sandy McIntosh, Sid's wife.
And we are the Grey Nomad 101 too. We produce the DVD series, Grey Nomad 101, 102, 103, and hopefully a few others before too long, all about caravanning around Australia and maybe eventually in other parts of the world. Now, whenever we're on the road at the caravan shows, selling our DVDs, we get so many people come to us and say, fantastic, we loved it, but show us a bit of caravan cooking. How do you guys do it? And when we're out there as well in caravan land, and Sandy and I have a few people over for whether it's an afternoon cup of tea or a 5 o'clock drinkies or even a meal, they always walk away saying, wow, she is one heck of a cook. And she is. I can vouch for that. That's why caravanning with her is such a pleasure.
Oh, that's really nice of me.
So, we've produced our first cooking DVD. Now, obviously we're not in a caravan now because it's just impossible to get all the right camera angles and things in the confined space of a caravan. But this DVD is all about confined space, simple, tasty cooking. And so we've set up a confined space right here on the kitchen bench. As you'll see once the DVD gets underway, we are using just one simple cooker. We're using an induction hob. If you haven't seen these little portable induction hobs, check them out at the caravan shows. They're great. They're even more efficient and responsive than gas. And the only downside is you do need a magnetic base on your cook pot. But you don't have to use that. You can just use gas or normal electric, whatever you've got.
And you need electricity.
For an induction hob, yes, you do have to have 240 volts. Fire up the Jenny. But quite often I'll use that little portable cooker outside the van as well, especially for some of the recipes like the curries and the fishes that tend to spatter a bit, whether I use the induction hob or a gas burner, it doesn't really matter. Anyway, enough of that. We hope you enjoyed the DVD and we'll get stuck straight into... Oh, I must tell you as well that as all the video footage on this disc, if you put it into a computer afterwards, you will see all the recipes there ready for you to view and print out.
And I've been busy typing as well as cooking. Multi-talented is me.
All right, enjoy.
Bye.